If them did mean the people them good, I thought the system would go at every home and investigate if the child them getting a healthy meals or if the people them live at a sanitary place. They don't business about that. That's what them should care about, right? Parliament, come on, man. So you see what happened? Then send on the sickness now. To kill them. That the people them get frightened and surrender. Say them will have to take it then. Right? So you see the denialship?
Yeah.
So love come by fear. You can kind to people and loving to people and tender to people to get them to attention. Hear you?
Yeah.
Him have to know, say, you have bad man back at you have liar, you have guns, and you, if you try anything, you know you can't win. You hear me, brethren?